Who is Sandvik? We are a global engineering company with over 37,000 team members.
We are a diverse and inclusive workplace that is built on our innovation and creativity.
At our division in sunny Alachua, Florida,
we design and manufacture world-class rotary drill machines for the global surface mining industry.
we offer customer-focused mining solutions centered on our own employees' passion to win, all while maintaining a fun and rewarding work atmosphere.
Our workplace is full of dedicated and passionate team members who directly contribute to our company's growth and success.
Our commitments to safety, quality, and our people is what sets us apart.
So, who is Sandvik?
We are fun.
We are international.
We are innovative.
We are sustainable.
We are community. We are Sandvik proud. Come be a part of our Sandvik family.
आइए सैंडविक फैमिली का हिस्सा बने।
Come be a part of our Sandvik family.